Now let's see a very important area, that is non-printing characters. It happens with many of us that when we print document, it prints the first page, but also print a blank page with it. That's because the document you have entered goes on two pages. Now let's see to go on the second page. Right now I have page 1 of 1. Let's press enter, 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 enter. And then when page finishes, it will automatically show page 2 of 2. But let's say that you didn't only press enter, you also press some tabs and some spaces, and also in this page you have pressed tab and spaces. Now these are the characters that you cannot see on the front of the page, but it exists in the background as a non-printing character. That means we have to remove all of these background non-printing characters in order to correct the page settings so that it can print only one document on the single page, not the extra second page. Now to enable this background non-printing characters, go on home and then press this sign. It will also show you what characters it will show. You can read it. Show paragraphs, marks, and other hidden formatting style is especially used for advanced layout task. So let's click on this. See, I'll just scroll it to the top. Now see, whenever I press enter, it shows in this P sign. When I press tab, it is reflected in arrow sign, and all the spaces between the words is represented in dots. Now if I go on the bottom, I pressed many tabs and many spaces to show you how to correct that mistakes. Now that means whenever you have a confusion that I'm trying to remove this second page from the print, but it is not removing, just enable this option, and then you can see all the characters. You can just manually select up to the top and just delete it. Now let's see, it comes under one page. Similarly, between the document, if you want to remove some spaces, you can also do that. So this is very essential tool in correcting the Word document format and eliminating the extra spaces. Now just remember, even if I give print in this form, it will not show up in the print. It is just representing the background working of spaces in the non-printing characters. After the correction, you can just click on this again and it will automatically get hide. So this is how we can work on non-printing characters in a Word document.